Good day, I'm Midshipman Caryl and Casiple from Tribarium, and today we will discuss our PPE needs, our PPE, our personal protective equipment needed in arc welding, and how to wear them correctly. First, our coverall must be closed, properly closed, as well as on our hands, on our arms, as well as on our legs. This might help us to get burnt on arc welding. Second, we have our welding mask. This one, welding mask helps us or protect us, protect our eyes from UV light that comes from our welding machines, and this must be, our welding mask must be fit. So that we could wear them properly. And we have our gloves, welding gloves or leather gloves, so that it could protect us from burnt and get shock of our welding machines. It must be fitted. This one to hold the things or have a grip on our welding clamp or electrode clamp. The fourth one is our safety shoes. The safety shoes might be tightened properly, and the lace must be inserted inside so that it will not going on, off, and we may trip on it or step on it. It can cause accident on us. And now I will enumerate and explain the proper procedure on how to prepare the workplace prior starting electric arc welding. So first, we must check our workplace first. Make sure it is well ventilated, and so that it will remove the fumes and gases. Second, have enough lightings in the workplace. Remove any flammable liquids or combustible materials. Make sure the workplace is dry. And last thing, know and evaluate our equipment. Wearing proper PPE. Check all the cables of our welding machines, and make sure there is no cut or damage and properly insulated. In starting our arc welding, so here we have our circuit breaker, our welding machine, switch. Maybe we have the different types of welding machine. Sometimes the switch is at the back of our welding machine, or sometimes here in front. So we have our indicator or voltage indicator, our positive, or where the positive line, where the electrode clamp, and this is our ground, the negative line. And now I will explain to secure our workplace after completion of electric arc welding. So first, after we finish welding, first make sure our welding machine must be turned off. The electrode must be removed, or our welding rod. The slugs or our metal particles, or small metal particles, must be cleaned up after our welding, and secure the surroundings. If maybe our metal are still burning because of our welding, our ground must be checked, our welding machine, and especially our circuit breaker must be turned off, or our power supply. And don't forget to turn off our ventilation, and clean up the other metal slugs on the floor. Thank you. That's all.